on the lunch day. Remember, say it's not a guest house in carry going on. And on a back road.
Well, as long as Miss continue carry on.
Yeah, man, I say about that now. It's still like how we look like a rat a run up and down one day. Me not depend that again, you know.
Alright.
Thing have to change up, man. So what going on with you?
Well, we invite me someone over my own.
Who that?
No,
Who?
bull.
Oh, so you kick it off today. You start bring out your plan today. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Me I say if you start bring out your plan for today. Today I do it.
Yeah, I'm start.
Alright. Just keep me posted and let me know what I'm going, see?
Yeah, man, me I keep it posted.
See? See?
Yeah?
Be careful, yeah?
Alright, I will.
Alright.
Afirza, Letuba, oui.
You see? Y'all need a drop.
Can you come out and watch me?
So because me I watch you, you blame me say I me make a crash.
You frighten me and you mash up my car.
Mash up what?
See it here.
Where car?
See car here.
Why you do it? Pull him back the door, please. It's too alright?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, check it. Come. Put your knife foot then again. This? And that two here.
Ah!
When you think I said alright?
Then daddy, you squeeze it. What do you think of that?
You know say that two here worry me though.
Just because I made a dance on it, man. Nothing happened to it.
You only tell me that because you want to go cheerleading training. But remember you have a story to tell me. How it go?
After school, them did put out a trampoline for the cheerleaders, them, right? And Alaze did in there that are the cheerleading captain. And I said, Alaze, I can come in? And she said, yes. And me that jump in there, and one six girl look about it in there. And then she said nobody else never come in. And then she go buy something at shop, and then the rest of the 6 girl look about them and come in and tell them to come out at Alaze, I go cuss. And then when look boy come in there and he lick me now, and I never lick him back. And him lick me in my face, I push him out of the trampoline and him drop and him get up a ball. But all man thump me in my face, and I said do it. And him step on my toe, and I push him out again. Then him go away, and I come out of the trampoline, and when him come back, me that talk to the head boy about him. And him a trip and my chit to the head boy about how him lick him in the face. And the head boy say, me spray the perfume in your ear. And him, the head boy father come, so the head boy go away. And then him go feed me and I'ma tell him say, me go tell Sarah about him. And this head boy say, him go tell Sarah. I'ma tell him and him don't listen. And him a look problem with me. So any of me gets in a trouble, it's not my fault. Where him get pushed out is because of where him lick me from, never lick him.
Hold on. When you tell me the first time, I never hear the part say you push him out of the trampoline.
Daddy, we make him get me about 6 lick, you know. I 3 him lick me in my face. Where him lick me for?
Alright. So when him step on your toe, when you're in the trampoline or when you're outside?
Daddy, in the trampoline, that's why I'm telling you my toe broke.
You know, say you're frightened when you tell me that. I really didn't think say your toe broke it.
Anybody ever step on your toe?
Yeah, a regular thing that.
In a trampoline?
Well, no.
Exactly. Imagine one thick boy jump on your toe in a trampoline. That's why my toe feel like it broke.
Yeah, but listen to me. You have to try. Don't get physical with people. Remember we have that conversation here already.
Daddy, how much lick I tell you say I get before I lick him back? 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. 6.
Yeah, 6.
Exactly.
Yeah, you have a point. But you know how I feel about you not going to school because your toe sprained. I don't like when you miss school and you know that.
But I could avoid this because him first trouble me. And you see a man tell me say, if you get physical, try and lose.
Me? You sure I never party?
You, Christopher Walker, tell me say, if you get physical, I not for lose.
Alright, Miss Walker. Anything you say, Allah?
Hey, me I try avoid trouble at school, but one more person that trouble me, and it's a girl.
What cause this now?
Just because I don't like her and she like me, just because that, she wet me up with the juice and she want to fight me and I don't want to fight her. Because if me and her fight, me I'll get suspension.